Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an LeetCode which is 1108. In this question, there isn't given a address, IP address, so you just have to transform dot through this strings, okay? So let's do this. First you have to create string answer which is empty, and then you just have to traverse for int I equals to 0, I less than address dot size, and then I plus plus. Okay, you just have to do this and check if address of I is equals to dot, then you just have to add answer plus address of I. Okay, else if it is not, then you just have to do one thing, answer plus address of I. Okay, and after this you just have to return the answer string. Okay, return answer. Let's run this code. Again it is showing error. I just have to add this value. Sorry. Let's run this. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.